go?
Yeah.
Sit down. You can see. You'll be able to see everything.
It's too up close, that's why.
Am I too close?
You can't see your face cut off.
No, you can see my
Turn it
face.
up.
You don't need to see my face.
You don't need to see his face.
Last week I took iodine, I put in some water. Just so you know, the starch makes it a black color. I don't need starch. It's not a part of the trick. Iodine and water, it's just a light red color. I want it really dark, so I put the starch in there. Just so you know I wasn't lying to you. Then I took the cross, I put the cross in, and once I started moving around in circles, it kind of went clear, right? It went kind of colorless. So here's a trick. If I turn my cross around, I had some little holes down here, which I didn't show you, obviously. And there's also a hole at the top. So I put something inside my cross, and that something was called sodium thiosulfate. Sodium thiosulfate. It's like a salt. So I put it at the top, and then when it was game time, I put it in the water. What happens when you put salt in water? It begins to dissolve, right? So it's starting to dissolve, but once I start moving it is when the dissolved particles start going in the water, and then it goes colorless. So Kai, can you grab the lights for just 1 second? Just wanted you to kind of see what I'm talking about. Oops, not that page. This page. You're going to be doing this chapter. You're going to make these things called chemical equations. So this is what was happening. Iodine, mixed with, right? Added some of this stuff called, I said, sodium thiosulfate. When they're together, it's just red. But when they mix, they become two brand new substances, sodium iodide and sodium tetrathionate. Whew. Those two liquids are both clear. So obviously it went from red color to clear color, and that was it. So if you put the word sodium thiosulfate, you would have been correct. Okay? Alright, Kai, you're going to turn the lights back on, and in a second you're going to turn back off. So just kind of, I know, I'm sorry about that. So that was last week's trick.
Okay.
Here's the new one. I have these powders up here.
Let me find out.
And we're going to do a little experiment with our powders.
You been slang it?
See this? There's a white powder up here. Kind of
Baking soda. I got baking soda.
white powder. And just so you know, it's coming from this bottle. I'm not using this bottle. It's coming from this bottle. So if I pour some in here, you'll see the white powder. Yeah?
That's dope. That's the one.
Okay, white powder. So we're going to do a little experiment. Little experiment. Ready? Oh, I can get my goggles. Shoot. Just lean your head back. Just lean your head back. All right? It won't hurt you. Ready? Ready? You want to turn the lights off? This is actually kind of cool. Ready?
Lean forward. Lean forward.
Ready? Watch out. Can I? Here we go.
Ah, my weed.
Sorry, got some powder on it. Here we go. Ready? Ready? Lean back, lean back.
Keyshawn ponytail.
Sorry. Here we go. Ready? Ready?
Liar.
It ain't gonna work.
Yeah, nothing happens. I lied to you. So nothing happens. Okay, it's not supposed to happen. It's just some powder. Now listen.
I just had a big blow up.
I had this contraption. I'm gonna take the same white powder. Is this white powder? Yeah. Same white powder. You guys see that? Same stuff. Okay. Did you see that? Okay. Same stuff. I'm gonna put it inside this tube. Okay. I'm just pour some inside this tube. Okay. And now this time I'm gonna blow on this end, and it's gonna come out the other end, and I'm gonna light on fire the same way I just did before. I'm just gonna light on fire. Okay. Ready? Watch.
Whoa!
You felt that. You felt the heat. You felt the heat.
Well, let's do that again. That's fun.
Wait.
I'm gonna do it again. That's all right. Here we go. Here we go.
Come over here.
Here we go.
Can I do it?
Okay, so this is one powder. I have another powder.
What's up?
It's called lycopodium powder. Lycopodium powder. Really expensive. It's actually a fungus. It's a yellow fungus. And I'm going to do this one now. It's a little bit...
Fungus.
Dang, it smells like marshmallow.
Smells good.
Okay, ready? This is lycopodium powder. Hopefully I got nothing there. I don't know. Here we go. Ready?
Liar.
Oh! That was a good one.
Back here.
That's the... Yeah, I know, right? Should I do it again? I'll do it again. I'll do it again.
Oh, my Snapchat is messed up.
Lycopodium powder. Stuff is very flammable. Ready?
I felt somebody's hot breath.
Okay. And just so you know, lycopodium powder is the same way. If I made a pile of this stuff, it would not catch on fire.
Why?
That's for you to figure out.
So
okay?
why-
So next week, tell me why does it not burn when it's in a ditch or a pile, and why does it burn? Okay, we can stop right there. Appreciate it.